In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Authenticator app, beginner guide. Two-factor authentication adds a simple extra check when you sign in, and this app generates one-time codes on your phone, even without internet. By the end, you'll have it set up and ready to protect your accounts. First, install the Google Authenticator app on your device from your app store. Make sure you pick the official app from Google. Once it's installed, open it and tap Get Started. You'll be asked whether you want to sign in with a Google account or use the app locally. I strongly recommend signing in. That securely backs up and syncs your codes to your account, which makes recovery much easier if you ever lose or upgrade your phone. If you prefer to keep codes only on this device, you can choose the local option. Next, in the app, tap the plus sign. You'll see two choices: scan a QR code or enter a setup key. Scanning a QR code is the fastest and least error-prone. The enter a setup key option is handy if a website gives you a text key instead of a QR code or if your camera can't scan. Now switch to the website or app you want to protect. Go to its account or security settings and look for two-step verification, multi-factor authentication, or Authenticator app. Every site labels this a little differently, but it's usually under security or login. When you choose Authenticator app, the site will display a QR code. Go back to Google Authenticator, choose Scan a QR code and allow camera access if prompted. Point your camera at the code until it's recognized. If scanning doesn't work, select Enter a Setup Key and carefully type the account name and the key exactly as shown on the website. After the account is added, the app will immediately show a 6-digit code with a small timer next to it. Return to the website and enter that 6-digit code to finish setup. These codes refresh every 30 seconds, so if the timer is almost out, wait for the next code before submitting. When the website confirms success, you're done for that account. From now on, you'll sign in with your password and then open Google Authenticator to read the current 6-digit code for that service. Keep your phone secure and never share these codes with anyone. That's it. You've installed the app, connected it to a site, and confirmed the code. Repeat the same process for any other accounts you want to protect. If you signed into the app earlier, your codes can sync to help with future device changes. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.